Hey, my Tea Party squad, welcome back to my tea party. So in today's video, I'm going to be planning for the month of May in my Catchall Happy Planner. And this is actually a classic size homebody planner with the dashboard weekly layouts. I absolutely love the dashboard layouts. Now, as far as planning for my monthly, I always say when in doubt, add flowers. And so I want a simple, cute spread. So I'm going to go ahead and just use my flowers sticker book. Can't go wrong with that, right? So we're going to use that sticker book. And then I'm going to be pulling out a few stickers out of my happy memory keeping, dates and holidays. And then also adding in some colorful boxes just to kind of notate some things that are going on, some bills that are going to be due. I want to write that down. So normally for my monthly view, I like to keep up with doctor's appointments for my kids and for myself. I usually keep up with bills that are due, school activities and field trips that Madison would have, cleaning schedules, weekly meetings, and some upcoming events throughout the month. But since we are social distancing and in this quarantine life, all I'm going to be doing for this monthly spread is just adding a little florals, a little deco, and then keeping up with bills that are coming up due for this month and some weekly Zoom meetings that we have weekly. Either it's for Madison School or for some of our weekly religious meetings we keep up with. And then also some upcoming events that I want to keep up with that I know is going on within the planner community. I want to keep up with that as well in my planner. So that's what I'm going to be doing for this monthly spread. All right, y'all. So I am done for the most part with my monthly spread. I do have some other dates and some other bills that are due and some other meetings that I do need to notate. But my little ones just snatched my paper off my desk and I'm just kind of over it right now because they are being very playful. So I'm going to kind of add those in later. But I love just adding the pops of color to this monthly spread. I absolutely love it. And what I'm thinking about doing is on the left-hand side under the month of May that has that light green section there with some faint lines. I'm thinking about writing down some monthly goals there. So I am going to keep that blank so I can do that. But if you are new here to my tea party, hello and welcome. So glad you are here, and I hope that you consider subscribing to my tea party and becoming a part of my tea party squad because I would love to party with you. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video again, so please make sure you stay tuned because I have my May weekly that is coming up really soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that, which I'm going to be planning from May 4th through the 10th. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.